Hi, this isn't just a simple video with cover ideas because we'll be looking at background designs with a really fun coloring technique. I'll also show you ideas for titles, headings, and other decorations for your notes or journal. So don't miss it and take note of the materials. We'll start by designing some backgrounds, and to create them, I'll base them on the Kawaii drawings we saw in the last video. So, if you've seen that video, you already have a small idea of what I'll be doing. In total, there are 4 backgrounds with a pattern of tiny drawings that are very easy to recreate, so I hope they inspire you and encourage you to create your own decorations. And now let's color the backgrounds with crayon shavings. So, besides the crayons, I use a sharpener. With the sharpener, I sharpen the crayon over the paper and then blend the pigment with a paper towel. And I do this with each color, creating a rainbow gradient. The background could stay like this, but I'm also going to color the little drawings individually. For the next background, I use a combination of colors that, when mixed, result in a green background with little brown touches. For the third background, I use a combination of orange and yellow shavings. And now I color the drawings with red and green. For the fourth background, I paint half blue and the other half magenta. And now we're going to design 4 titles for each of the covers, although the designs can also be used for theme headers or any other project. Just like before, I use crayons to color. Since we already have the backgrounds and titles, we're going to put them together in the next section of the video so you can see how the covers would look. And as a bonus, I'm giving you more box ideas to add to the ones from last week's video. So now you have a huge collection of ideas to mix and match to decorate your notebooks or journal. I hope you like them, and I invite you to watch the previous video if you haven't seen it yet.